Earlier this year, Mazda came out with the CX-50, a shorter, wider, longer, boatier version of the CX-5, but it is built here in North America, unlike the CX-5 that is imported from Japan. The CX-50 was designed for the American mindset of freedom. It's supposed to allow you to go off-road, pretty much taking on the Subaru segment. But when the CX-50 launched, we didn't have the most off-road worthy variant of the lineup. That's the Meridian Edition. Today, I'm going to give you all the details of the top spec CX-50 Meridian Edition. Let's go. It goes on sale this fall. The Meridian Edition features exclusive 18-inch wheels, Falken all-terrain tires with a starting MSRP of $39,950. But there's an asterisk saying that the MSRP does not include the $1,275 for destination and handling, or if you're in Alaska, $1,320. There's an additional Apex package which enhances the Meridian Edition with roof platform and more. And an additional Meridian Choice package elevates remaining CX-50 models with essential outdoor accessories. Man, Mazda is making things very confusing for the average buyer. If you watched what's new for the CX-5 for 2023 video, or just a couple days ago, there's 8 different trim levels, and then you have individual options and packages on top of that. So the Meridian Edition is building off the standard CX-50 2.5 turbo model and all the features equipped with it. The Meridian Edition package expands the vehicle's capabilities by providing outdoor focus, black metallic 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in 225 by 60 18-inch all-terrain Falken tires designed to take on challenging terrain while still feeling home on the road. It has an all-new headlight garnish, unique Meridian Edition-branded matte black hood graphic, black wheel locks and lug nuts, and side rocker panels help protect the CX-50 from outside elements while maintaining the vehicle's rugged appeal. The Meridian Edition is exclusively offered in Polymetal Gray or Zircon Sand exterior paint, while the interior is only available in the new Terracotta leather with black interior accents. Of course, the vehicle has standard all-wheel drive, 256 horsepower, 320 pound-feet of torque on 93 octane, or if you don't want to spend an arm and leg on gas, which I guess you're doing anyways right now with today's prices, but 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque on 87. Of course, we have the tried and the true 6-speed automatic in there. It has Mazda's new Mi drive, which I can't stop thinking about Nintendo Mi's at this point with Mazda's, but it includes normal, sport, and off-road, and a towing driving mode. I don't think I've seen the towing driving mode on a Mazda yet, so that might be new here. In towing mode with the genuine Mazda towage, it is capable of towing up to 3,500 pounds. It's not bad. Well, with all that torque, it better be able to tow a good amount. All right, let's go over these individual packages that are on the Meridian Edition, or you can get on the Meridian Edition. So the Apex package, first seen during the reveal of the CX-50 last fall, Meridian Edition customers looking for the ultimate piece of adventure equipment can opt for the Apex package upgrade. The package includes roof-mounted black crossbars, a roof platform, and both front and rear splash guards. The roof platform allows customers to secure even more outdoor equipment or add the available rooftop tent from Mazda's accessories offerings. Gotta love that tent. Also, the Meridian Choice package. This is available for remaining CX-50 models in either powertrain. So this is not for the Meridian Edition from the sounds like. It's just a Meridian package for their normal CX-50s. I know it's confusing. It's almost like Lexus can have an F Sport package, but it's not an F model. The Meridian model is the full-blown off-roading version with the cool tires and wheels, and this Meridian is just had on any common CX-50. So let's get more into this. The Meridian Choice package is a detail installed option offering similar outdoor focus features that will help customers personalize any CX-50 to best fit their lifestyle. The Meridian Choice package includes roof-mounted crossbars, roof platform, front and rear splash guards, side rocker garnish, headlight garnish, and black wheel locks and lug nuts. This package also includes a matte black hood graphic with a different design from the one equipped on the Meridian Edition. Well, at least you can equip your normal CX-50 to look as Meridian as possible at the dealer. So they're opening up this parts catalog essentially for the rest of the CX-50s, but you can't get it from the factory like this. You have to order it through the dealer, which I'm sure the dealers are happy about. So I just mentioned how the CX CX-5 had 8 packages. The CX-50 now is available in 10 packages with the addition of the Meridian Edition. I mean, it's good to have choices and options, but there's a point. It's like when you go to Cheesecake Factory. Well, I haven't been since college, so that's like an eon ago. But it's like you go to a restaurant and the menu is just absolutely enormous, and you could spend days just looking over and reading over each thing. What I prefer is a very concise menu. Show me 5 things you do really, really well and stick to your guns there. Instead, we have essentially the Cheesecake Factory of options going on with Mazda and their crossovers right now. Effective August 2nd, mid-year pricing for all 2023 CX-50 models will increase by $750 and have a starting MSRP of $27,550. Also effective August 2nd, destination and handling charges increase by $50 for 23 CX-50 to $1,275, like I mentioned earlier. So, yep, Mazda is not shy of increasing prices mid-model year. They've been doing it for the last few years, and it just sucks, but that's just the way things are. Everything's getting more expensive. So here's the price of all your models. The Meridian Edition sliding below the Turbo Premium and the Turbo Premium Plus. Remember, the Meridian Edition is based off the Turbo, so it costs about almost $3,000 more than the base Turbo, and roughly the same as the Turbo Premium. Here's the cost of the Apex package at $1,235 and the Meridian Choice package at $1,899. Now there's an asterisk here, so Meridian Choice package is a dealer installed option. Pricing does not include dealer labor costs. So interestingly, it looks like if you want the Meridian Choice package, they're only going to sell it as a bundle or a kit. You can't individually order those things potentially. Or maybe it is a discount instead of buying all those things individually. Makes me wonder. But anyways, it is not cheap. An additional essentially $2,000. Paint colors, essentially $600 for Soul Red and Machine Gray. Polymer Gray is also a great color. It's going to cost you $400 as well as Zircon Sand. You can only get, remember, that Meridian Edition in the Zircon Sand and the Polymetal Gray. So it's like, well, your starting MSRP for this Meridian Edition is $39,950, but you're forced to pay an additional $400 for the Polymetal Gray and the Zircon Sand, and then additional $1,200+ for the destination fee. So anyways, I'm going to end it there. What are your thoughts about the CX-50 Meridian Edition? I'd love to try it, to test it out, to compare to like the Forester Wilderness that I drove, as well as other off-roading like the Passport Trail Sport. I'm going to end it there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video, and stay tuned for more Mazda updates. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming Mazda videos. Catch you in the next one, and peace out.